Today we have a video from inside the blue TV, and the title of the video is "Woman Thought Her Credit Card Scam Went Unnoticed."
Checked his bank statement and noticed over $1,200 in charges used at an upscale hotel.
Basically, the card was used to purchase room 432 and room 440. Up under his name, this guy's not here. He called and noticed that the charges were done on his card. And basically, he contacted the hotel to let them know that he's not here and he didn't authorize any charges to be on his room. These are the rooms that they're renting, possibly 2 people per room. Thing over there is, like I said, we're not sure if they're here or not, you know what I'm saying? So as soon as I was waiting on we get some other officers, we can probably go in there.
Is that his phone number?
This is the guy here, Miller's phone number.
Miller, so that's just... Okay. Called here and said that his credit card was just used for 2 rooms in the hotel?
Correct.
Or there was a charge on his card?
Yep.
Okay.
So I would assume that they're probably here because they extended their stay this morning online. So
They did it online.
Yeah.
So they were already here.
they did a walk-in reservation at first and then extended their stay online. So it was originally one night. Now they're staying again tonight.
So was the original charge on the same card, or was it?
Yep.
Okay. And so they walked in and had a card when they walked in. Okay. Do you have the information for the guests of that room?
Yes.
So when they come in, they don't do the ID card?
No, they do, but so sometimes they'll have like the fake ID, sometimes they'll have an ID that's not just the card.
Yeah, with the person ID.
Yeah.
What I want to do is while y'all go and check one room, I'm gonna stand by the other. So they should be down from each other. So they make some contact, they try to run out, then come into me.
Damn. Oh, they ain't butt naked.
Yeah, she did. They got the hell on quick. They ain't even get their bras or nothing. They can see. 2 police cars right there.
They just left.
Mm-hmm.
Check out the room real quick.
Yeah.
All right, here's the deal. Nobody's in the rooms.
Oh, luggage?
No.
Oh.
No, so we need those rooms blocked off to where they cannot get back in. If you can do that
yes.
remotely, or if you need to send somebody up there with a key to change the...
Nope, that's they can't get back in because we made new keys for you guys.
Oh,
So yeah.
okay. I just want to make sure that's the first step, is making sure that nobody has access with the keys that were given prior.
Okay.
After officers were unable to locate the suspects, a strategic decision was made. Hotel management was advised to deactivate all the room keys tied to the fraudulent booking, preventing anyone from entering the rooms, and the plan worked. Not long after, the suspect approached guest services, attempting to obtain a new room key, unknowingly walking straight back into the investigation.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, can we talk to you over here, please?
Got him.
We just trying to figure out some things too.
Oh, you're cooked. You're cooked. You thought shit was sweet, huh?
We just gotta ask you a couple questions, okay?
Tread lightly. Them brothers is ready to
So the reason
attack.
why we're here is they're saying that whatever card or ID you are using is fraudulent. I'm just getting to the point.
I can get cash and bring that back.
Bring what back?
Like money for my room.
No, so you have the card or whatever you used?
I had a phone that didn't have tap on it.
No, where's your ID at? First, let's figure out who you are. Who are you?
I gave them my ID.
They have your ID?
Mm-hmm.
They have it right now?
I believe so.
Where's your ID? You don't have her ID?
For identification, because we're talking about
Yeah, find that ID quick.
It's okay, let's get your ID. No pressure. It's just a simple conversation. Okay, your name is Jessica J. right, give me just a second. I'm gonna ask you those two under the.
No. That's not what she showed them that first.
Are you booked under a room for your name? Because she said they don't have a room with you or your name.
No, I used my
You use what now?
sister's, like,
Your sisters?
yeah.
Okay, where is that? Can we see that? Whatever you presented to them, can we see that?
You might as well tell us shit. Just give me the whole purse. Give me the whole thing.
Is there a code 1 on it or no? Do they have any code 1s on it?
So this is your sister?
Look, they surrounded. Look, this guy, damn, what police department is this? Because this is the all minority police department, man. I'm seeing black brothers. I'm seeing black sisters. I'm seeing Asians. You know, this is like maybe an Asian mix or something. Man, God, all surrounding this lady right here, man. She better act right. She better act right, because they gonna get you together.
Amanda Gale?
I need my turn.
Huh?
I don't want to speak anymore.
Yep.
You don't want to speak no more.
I mean, if you don't
Oh,
mind me
okay.
asking, we're just talking to you. Why don't you want to speak? You said I mean, if you're using your sister's name to get a room, I get it. But we're just trying to understand.
I don't.
Okay.
So am I being taken?
Yeah, you're about to. So just stay here. Yes.
You're the, hold on.
Where you think you going?
Go ahead, Detainer. Go ahead, Detainer. Go ahead, Detainer.
That's not a good idea. Sorry.
Like, where are you going, ma'am? You're not free to go.
It doesn't matter. You're talking to a police officer. You're not free to go.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be an issue before the law. You have the right to speak to an attorney. You have an attorney present here. Any question? If you cannot afford an attorney, we can ride for you at the government.
Hold on. This brother sound familiar. Hold up.
At any time, you can stop answering questions if the question will be present. Okay? Do you understand your rights? Okay, knowing your rights and you willing to talk to us.
All right, so now I'm just trying to get like the physical copy of the card and stuff. So basically, she's using somebody's account.
Yes, James.
Yeah, the victim called like I'm not even at the Kempton.
Yep.
So I just need they busy. I just need like a picture, photo ID or something.
Okay, we go ahead and take it to the car. What do you mean you may have things on you?
In the back, in my purse.
What's in here?
Just like.
Well, I need to know.
I don't need to have been.
Okay, well, I'll search you. All right, well, we'll see.
Today we have a video.
I gotta search it real quick.
Oh, you gonna
Stay
search
right
it?
there. Stay right here. I still gotta search it before you get in the car.
Today we
Anything
have a
on you
video.
that you need to tell me about before I find it? What do you have in your bag? You want to tell me, or you want me to go ahead and find it?
I mean, it's
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. I found it. I found it, guys. I found it. I told you that this brother sound familiar. Hold on. Hold on, man. This brother right here sound familiar. Listen to this voice now.
If you do decide to answer our questions at any time, you can stop answering questions if the question will be present. Okay?
Nah, this is this brother right here. I found it. Don't that look like him? Don't that look like him? This is this guy. Not playing right here. No, wait, hold on. Mother. Damn, I talk too much, don't I?
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back. You just want to do
I'll get your f***ing ass shot.
Don't get your ass shot, mom. This is him. This is him. This is him. This is him. This is him.
And snatch away from the officer. And
In my space.
Okay.
I have disorderly conduct
Yeah,
in my own
because
space.
everybody in the
Y'all
hall
make it up.
Yeah, everybody in the hallway.
Do you have anything on you? I need.
Sadness and sorrows.
And your son about to
gives a
get
fuck
his
about
ass
you?
beat the f up too. Thought he was gonna run over there.
Go ahead.
He acting like he tough or something.
Go ahead.
Y'all the really pissed
Y'all
me
the
off.
because you put
With me, dog. Y'all some
Chancellor in the face.
y'all dumb as fuck.
That's your thing.
And all this shit being recorded too.
Good, so I hope I have the proof that I did, but I filed my complaint.
Fuck you. I'm gonna do it. You can file whatever you want to file.
Is that what you're trying to do? Are you trying to say that you want to?
Girl, you ugly as. Why the f would I want to have sex with your ugly ass? What the f you talking about?
Hey, I found him. Wait, hold on. This guy sat, when he started, as I'm watching the video, I'm watching it and I'm like, he looked familiar, but like, I couldn't pinpoint it. I'm like, I don't know. I'm like, he looked familiar though. He looked familiar. But now I get it. So hold on. So now he a sergeant. So was he a sergeant in this video? When was this video? When was this video? I can't even see. Was he a sergeant? Cause it don't even look like he had them patches on. Was he a sergeant before? Just a clusterfuck. Oh, nope. He wasn't a sergeant. So this is March 30th, 2025. He ain't got the patches. So when was this? March. Wow. Congratulations to that brother. Now this is in August. See, this is probably why he made sergeant. He talked to that other lady crazy. He was like, yo, he said, why the hell would I want to have sex with your ugly ass? Yeah, he was like, he was putting the beats on him. He told the kid, he said, you better back up. Don't get shot now. Oh, my guy made sergeant. My guy made sergeant, man. I love to see it. This is like intermission right now. Let's get back into this case. But man, that brother doing this thing. Y'all go check out that other video, man, because what's the name of that video that I got on there, man? What's the name of it? You gotta look it up. She went to jail over plastic gloves. That's what it's called. Dropped 6 days ago. Damn, that brother made sergeant.
Not a foreign attorney, we'll be glad for you at the government's expense. If you do decide to answer our questions at any time, you can stop answering questions and the question will be present. Okay? Do you understand your rights? Okay, knowing your rights and you want to talk to us.
All right, so now I'm just trying to get like the physical copy of the card and stuff. So basically, she's using somebody's account.
Yes, James.
Yeah, the victim called like I'm not even at the Kempton.
Yep.
So I just need they've been busy. I just need like a picture, photo ID or something.
Okay, we go ahead and take it to the car. What do you mean you may have things on you?
In the back of my purse.
What's in here?
Just like
Well, I need to know.
I don't need to have in jail.
Okay, well, I'll search you. All right, well, we'll see. I gotta search you real quick.
Oh, you gonna search it?
I don't have anything.
Stay right here. I still gotta search you before you get in the car. Anything on you that you need to tell me about before I find it?
My boy done upgraded. He ain't got to put hands on nobody no more. He got his workers doing it.
I mean, it's drugs.
It's what?
It's drugs.
Drug? What kind of drugs?
I mean, just some things that you put on foil and smoke.
What? I mean, I don't know.
It's blue stuff.
Is it like THC?
No.
Is it?
I have to, yeah, some.
All right, well, I'll just find it. You can put it back. Let me show it. Okay.
Well, my guy ain't got to do no searching. It's over with. He the supervisor.
No, that's good thing. She said she has some.
What is that? New phones and iPad? She got a phone and iPad? You think we should call Apple and see if it's on?
That's more than enough. What is that?
Oh.
It's too much going on.
She was going.
Yeah.
So, my colleague was just telling me that it's another girl.
Is the girl here? Or, wait, who swiped the car? She,
I don't know. I went here.
so where's the other girl at?
She probably in the lobby somewhere or in the back of the parking lot because she came in through the back. She's driving the car.
Okay, well. I mean, we got her in custody. I mean, we can't just ride around and just suspect. Like,
so if she comes in, we'll call you guys too.
Yeah.
Because she had 2 rooms.
So which room was she in?
That I don't know. She just asked me for 2 keys, 440 and 432.
She said it's a friend with her too, but I said, I mean, you have her. She said they're gonna call back. What is that?
I don't know what's in the aluminum foil. I'm just gonna package it.
Oh yeah, cause she got that straw.
Yeah, she said some stuff you put on it. She said it's drugs. She said she got the drugs. It's in my car.
What?
My first time.
Drugs? Make sure you don't touch them with your bare hands.
Oh, I already know that.
Sit tight and we'll talk to you in just a moment. I'll allow you to make some calls.
For a brief moment, she thought she got away with it. A luxury stay funded by fraud always comes with a bill, just not.
All right. Well, I ain't talking about no crimes that she actually did. What's the... Man, my God made Sergeant, man. It's like we're watching people grow on this channel. Literally, this is what we're watching. I love to see it, man. This is the second time I've recognized the same officer from 2 different situations, but this is the first time we've watched an officer go from officer to sergeant. You know, yeah, I love to see it, man. This is a beautiful thing, man. Brothers, you know, people elevating in their career and everything like that, man. It's a positive thing, man. Positive movement. And still keeping it real, still keeping it 100. He told that lady, man, why the hell would I want to have sex with your ugly ass, man? He tackled her. The son tried to boast up. He said, don't get shot. He said, you better back up before I get you together in here. My guy made sergeant now. Just a couple of months later, my guy's sergeant, man. He ain't doing none of that hands-on stuff no more. He ain't doing none of that no more. That's it. He chilling. I love to see it, man. This is beautiful stuff, man. 5 out of 5 from me, man. Oh, man. This is great. This is just great. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.